In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix exclamation marks in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application, and one instance of an exclamation mark in your emails is that it is marked as high importance. So for example, I have this email right here. It has an exclamation mark next to it, and that's because this email is marked as important by the sender. So that's why, for example, the message of the email right here says in quotes, "Hello, I need to report ASAP today. Thanks." And if you are needing something like an important document, you can use the high importance tag here to have your emails with an exclamation point. If you want to fix this by removing the exclamation part mark in this high importance message, you can just double click on the message so that you can open it in another window. And then click File, click on Properties, then for the importance, you can just change this to normal and then close. And then from here, you can just save the changes, and now the exclamation mark or the high importance tag is officially gone. If you are having another problem with your Outlook, for example, it usually looks like this where your Outlook icon has this exclamation mark right here. What that means is that it has some problems with connectivity with your account. So the first thing that you can check is your Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to an internet connection, and then if you are connected to the internet but you still have this, you can go ahead and remove and add your accounts right here. You can just go to File, then go to Account Settings, and then click Account Settings here. Maybe you are having a problem with connecting to your accounts. What you can do is that you can just remove them. Then you can click a new button here to add it again. So for example, I can click New, then this window will open where you can go ahead and enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, you can just click Connect, and then you can add your account here. So now the account is successfully added, click Done, and then that should now fix your account connectivity with your Outlook application. If it's still not working, you can go to the Send and Receive here, and then click Send and Receive All Folders. What this will do is that it will sync all of your emails in your accounts. So just click that, and then just wait for that to finish. It will open up this window here, and if you're still having problems, what you can do is fix your Outlook application. Just go here to search, then type in installed applications. It's just this one, installed apps. We click on that, and your settings for your Windows will open. Then, right here in the search bar, we can just search for Outlook. From there, click the three dots right here, click Advanced Options, and then we need to close Outlook again. And from here, we have the Repair and Reset button available. That's how you guys can fix exclamation marks in Outlook. If this video was helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.